Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say something up front before we get started. As you can tell, I'm not your typical YouTuber. I am not here to impress you with fancy video edits or perfect lighting or, perfect background or polished text skills. I am here to be real, to show you what's actually worked for me without hiding behind all that flashy stuff, perfect script and all that stuff. So if you've ever wondered, do I really need a course to get started with affiliate marketing? You're in the right place. And if this video helps you at all, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I've got more content like this coming to help you figure out if working online is something that could actually work for you. Okay, now let's get to the real stuff. Do you need a course to do affiliate marketing or promote yourself online? Answer is no, you don't. You could spend months watching YouTube videos, Googling everything, learning through, trial and error. And honestly, some people do figure it out doing it on their own that way. But here is the truth. It's going to take you a lot longer, and you're going to feel maybe a little bit more lost without someone to help guide you through it. You won't have anyone in your corner to answer questions because you are going to have them to give you feedback or to help you when things get so overwhelming, and they will, believe me. It can be overwhelming. And I know that because I tried it that way at first. I've even bought a course once that I felt like I didn't really align with, and I felt like I was back to square one because of that. But eventually I found a course, and I finally felt like I found my people. That may sound weird, but I found my people who were supportive. They were honest with me, and they actually show up for you, not just to hype me up, but to actually help teach you. And this course has just helped me to learn how to grow my current businesses, how to promote products as an affiliate, how to resell the very course, that is teaching me. I get to resell the very course, which pays out a pretty good commission. And by the way, no, that's not just a couple dollars like here and there. I get 85% commission. It's real legit income. And it's more than just affiliate marketing though. The course teaches you how to grow on all social media platforms, like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. It teaches you how to build online presence, which is super, super important, even if you have zero experience. It also teaches you how to start an Etsy shop, dropshipping, sell TikTok shop, Amazon reviews. There's so much more than that even, and maybe the most important thing is how to get past your own mental blocks, because you're gonna have them, because let's be honest, the biggest thing standing in the way is usually you. It kind of helps guide you and teach you how to find your voice, your confidence, your ideal audience, which is super important, and it gives you literally step-by-step training, so you're not just throwing random posts and content out there and just hoping that something sticks, because more than likely it's not going to. And if I hadn't found this course, I don't think that I would feel as confident as I do now, and I'd still be stuck in the overwhelm, stuck in that fear, just trying to figure it all out on my own, without any kind of real direction. So no, you don't need a course, but I can tell you from experience, my own personal experience, it's been the best decision that I made, because now I get to work from home, grow my businesses, and actually feel good about doing it. And if you want a sneak peek at the exact course that I'm using, you can check out the link in the description and in the comments, and I'd love to show you, what it looks like, what it could look like for you, and answer any questions that you have. I'm an open book. So y'all don't forget to like and subscribe if this has helped you in any kind of way, and I will see you all in the next video.